In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Studio Ghibli filter not working on ChatGPT. First, make sure you're fully up to date and give everything a quick refresh. If you're using the mobile app, check your app store for the latest version and relaunch the app. On desktop, refresh the ChatGPT page so you're on a fresh session. Outdated builds and stale tabs are common reasons. Image features and style filters misbehave, so a clean start often fixes things in seconds. Next, switch your model to GPT-4o. This feature performs best under GPT-4o because it's optimized for multimodal tasks, including image transformations. In ChatGPT, open a new conversation and choose GPT-4o from the model picker at the top. If you are on a different model, swap over and try your request again. If it's still not cooperating, log out, clear your browser data, and log back in. Specifically, clear cache and cookies for chatgpt.com so any temporary glitch or corrupted session data is removed. After that, sign in again and retry the filter. This quick reset resolves many intermittent failures that look like random errors. If an image attempt fails inside a conversation, start fresh. Delete that chat and open a brand new one before trying again. Prior failed attempts can prime the context and cause repeat errors, so a clean thread gives the model a neutral starting point for your next request. Now, fine-tune your prompt. Instead of asking vaguely for a Ghibli filter, be clear and specific. Try something like, convert this image into a Studio Ghibli art style while making no changes to the picture. You can add helpful details such as the mood, lighting, or color palette you want, but keep the instruction to preserve composition if that matters to you. Be mindful of safety policies around real people and pets. This filter often fails when used on recognizable faces or animals. If that's happening, switch to landscapes, buildings, still life objects, food, or product shots. You'll typically see better and more consistent results with non-identifiable subjects. Finally, remember this feature is very popular. If everything looks correct but it still fails, wait a few minutes and try again. High server demand can cause timeouts or partial responses, and a short pause often clears the queue. Follow these steps in order: update and refresh, use GPT-4o, clear cache and log back in, start a new chat after failures, refine your prompt, avoid real faces and pets, and give it a moment during peak demand, and you should be back to creating that charming Ghibli-style look in no time.